Hello, what's up? Hi, 6 o'clock. Hi, guys. Hi, guys, what's up? What's up? Hello, 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 what's up? Hi, how are you all doing? It's a beautiful Friday evening. And ठंडा हो रहा है अभी बाहर वेदर इट्स नॉट दैट हॉट अभी ठंडा ठंडा हो रहा है अच्छा लग रहा है गुड वेदर ओके व्हाट्स अप हाउ इज अ फ्राइडे इवनिंग ट्रीटिंग यू let's talk for like 2 minutes. What's up, guys? Like, hi. I'm just going to say hi to everybody. Hi, Shivam. Hi, Nagmi. Hi, Bhavesh. Hi, Pratik. Hi, Riya. Hi, Sagar. Hi, Apurva. Hi, Tanvi. Hi, Sweksha. Hi, guys. What's up? Okay, hi guys. This is Vidisha Kumble. I manage social media for wetjobs.in. Today we are yet again going live to amazing freelancers. So remember last Wednesday we did a collab with the Touchwood Wedding School, and today we have two of their alumni who are going to be joining us live. We are going to talk about their journey in the wedding industry and how they started and what's going on, what's up with them in their life right now. Okay, so I am going to add. I'm going to. Hi, Apurva. She says, hey, hi. Okay, so we're going to add. Hi, and Shiva. Hi.
Hello.
What's up? How are you all doing?
How are you?
It's good, you say?
I'm good. How are you? Hi, Nagmi. Let's start with you. How did a Friday evening? I mean, how is a Friday evening treating you? What are you doing?
So
Till now
yeah,
it's been great.
Sorry?
Till now it's been great.
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to be great for the next half an hour also. So let's just
Yeah,
put that out of the way.
surely.
just looking forward to talking to you.
I was so looking forward to today's live. Okay, Shivam, how are you? I mean, how did the week go?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, and were you like very, very, very excited like to join us live?
Super excited. I was like super excited.
And Nagmi, what about you? Were you like very excited to join us
Oh,
live?
definitely, super excited. I was looking forward to talking to you, and I had of your live sessions earlier, which you have
You
done.
did.
Yeah.
So they were okay. Did you like them?
Oh yes, super fun.
Great. Okay. So hi Nagmi. Hi. One more guys. Okay. Hi Nagmi. Hi Shivam. We are so excited to have you live today. We're going to talk about all things freelancing, and these two are the alumni of the Touchwood Wedding School. So let's just start with that. How was your experience, and why Touchwood Wedding School? Nagmi.
Okay, so for me, I'll just give a little background about myself. So I have been working in corporates for the past few years, 8, 9 years, and
Okay.
I took a sabbatical when I had my daughters. I have two daughters, and now I call this my second inning when I thought of doing something else. And I was very fascinated about this industry. I was passionate about doing something event. So I was regularly checking and listening to the interactive sessions we had during the COVID.
Okay.
Yes, during the COVID there were a lot of which Vijay sir was doing, which Marita ma'am was doing, which a lot of other top fraternity of this industry were already
Yeah.
connected. So I knew about Touchwood, and then one fine day I was just scrolling through and I got through this course that was being started online. I thought, why not? When you're sitting at home and doing nothing, you have to, you should really go forward and do something you're really passionate.
Wow.
So I enrolled in this course, and it happened, in the span of just 3 to 4 hours. I looked at this course, spoke to the faculty there, and I enrolled in the next 4 hours. It was all done, and I started attending the classes.
Great, that's so inspiring actually to start with something new, to learn something new. I mean, people always say that learning never stops, and we have like a real life example here. Thank you so much. Okay, Shivam, tell me.
So, like from my childhood, I was being very enthusiastic about the same industry, and
Uh-huh.
like my relatives has been, in this industries too. My father, he already runs a catering business, so it literally excites me from my childhood only. So, what I was planning to do, like after 12th, I was planning to join this industry, but somehow, like my parents wanted to, just complete my graduation first, then do this industry, because it's all about uncertainty. You never know what happens and all,
Right.
vagara vagara. So I thought like just complete my graduation first and then just go for it. So then I was searching for this schools, for the wedding schools, so
Okay.
where I can upskill my knowledge for the same. So then I got to know about the Touchwood,
Uh-huh.
and one of my school senior was doing the course from the Touchwood only. So she gave me the path, she gave me all the positive responses, and then I get to know all about the Touchwood, and somehow I'll end up here only. So that's
You
what I
were also
my
a
journey was.
pandemic born for Touchwood.
Yeah, I was pandemic born. Yeah,
So,
totally.
actually, a lot of people change their careers, change their life courses in pandemic, and
Yeah.
it's nice to see. Shivam, I wanted to ask, if not events, where would you be right now?
So I would be end up doing corporate jobs,
Okay,
somewhat or not. That I don't
boring,
want to do.
boring.
Yeah, I don't bother to. Yeah.
Okay, Nagmi, you have around 7 years of experience in the research consultancy, and now that you've studied, you're doing an internship as well. You did an internship also. So,
Yeah.
what do you think? How much important is the role of research in the wedding industry?
See, now that I have already, I know how to start. If I'm given a task, I know the right steps to follow. So my
Correct.
job in the consultancy, my job as a research consultant has given me that learning over the period of years. So now when I'm given a task, I exactly know how to approach, the the thing and how to really go about it. So that becomes easy when you have already been working and you know the things in the industry. And research has really taught me to dig deep into the whatever you are doing. Just dig deep. We don't really do things on the surface. We keep studying, keep research, keep looking out everywhere. Try to dig deep into the things and find out those things and analysis. That's how it is done. So
And
yeah, so that's how.
Nagmi,
Yeah.
sorry, just one point to add to your research base. you know uh, like these days when we talk about couples getting married, the family knows everything already. They just give you everything in a plate. They come to you and they say ये मेरे को चाहिए. ठीक है? So now tell me, because they know everything, so what I mean, why is it important for us to be updated with all these new things? I mean, so to tell them that we know something more than you do, and that's why you have come to us.
Yes,
Correct?
exactly.
So just put more light on that.
See, when while you are, it's all about, yes, it's all about passion. So when
Uh-huh.
you are passionate about something, you keep doing something, and it is not really a task or a work for you. It
Correct.
is you are doing out of your interest and hobby, right? So
Right.
while doing that, while you are informed about what is happening in the industry, what exactly is the trends of the industry, you know everything. So when a family comes to you and they tell you that this is what I want, maybe I would be, or you would be able to tell them in a better way that this is what is in these days, this will look good for you, this is the event, so you can do this and not this. They
Correct.
have a certain idea, but how to execute an idea and what will really work for them, that we are going to tell.
Correct, correct. Agree. Uh, now, Shivam, coming to you. Since
Yeah.
you already like put it out there that your family is from the catering background, you know everything in and out about events because you've done. I'm sure you have seen so many in your life. You
Yeah.
know the chaos also. Then,
Exactly.
and you also know the uncertainties that comes with it. Correct.
Totally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then why did you still? choose to test?
So
I mean, test the waters.
actually, this question I want to ask you, like there is chaos in everything.
Right.
If you do a corporate job, even
Right.
if there is a twist in everything, right? So that's what should be a motto to, it's keep you apart from something like that. So what I heard and what my interest lies in, like if there's a stress, it's in both situations. Okay. So rather than if you are doing it from your heart, if you are good at doing it something, so you should do that if you are good in something like that. So being in a that monotonous 9 to 5 hour job and doing work for other and keeping stress for other, it's better than to learn for do for yourself, earn for yourself, and you can
Rest also
determine
you
your
take
own
for
salary.
yourself only.
Exactly. So you can determine your own salary particularly.
Right.
So that's what the thing is.
Wow, you can determine your own salary. Wow. Golden words. Okay, actually, I did just read a comment from Vishal. He's the owner of luxurious resort in Kanpur. Looking forward to work with Ms. Nagmi, as she's really a talented girl, and I'm so sure that she will handle my wedding business very well. That's very sweet. Okay, moving on. Tell me, Nagmi, how has doing a course at Touchwood Wedding School been beneficial to you? I mean, you knew a lot of things about events earlier on also, but then what added benefits did you get after doing a course at Touchwood, and now how are you like utilizing it, and what are you doing now? Tell me.
See, when you know about an industry and you're interested in it, I did not really know the hows and whats, of the things. So when I
Okay,
started this course and when I started interacting with the faculty, when I started attending those master classes, that then exactly I got to know what goes into this industry. When you are doing X job, what exactly you're supposed to do, what exact things you have to keep in mind. So those first hand, the first hand experience which you get to
correct.
witness, and learning from those experts and studying a course gives you another edge to having just an interest in something. So it
Yes,
gets
yeah.
you on that page that you know for sure that yes, this is how I am going to go further in this.
True. It's like you having all the knowledge beforehand only, but when you like study about it thoroughly, you know what comes first and you know what to do of
And
that knowledge.
direction.
Correct. A direction. Correct. Yeah.
Direction.
Understood. Yeah. 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 So Shivam, you tell me, how was your journey with Touchwood, and how has the wedding school helped you?
So it's been great right now, and I'm still be a student. I'm
Oh, you
been pursuing right
are.
now. Yeah. So till now, it's great. It's been learning. Like there's a lot more thing I have learned about which I haven't known before, and from day to day things, I get to know each and everything which is new to me. It's something not I'm getting to know what I already know, but it's something which I keep adding on to my knowledge. So that would be a edge towards me getting to a higher position or something. So yeah, that's the goal which helps me through the touchwood which I'm getting the benefit.
Ah, great.
Shivam
Okay,
is
so
going
how long will you be? Sorry,
I was
Nagma.
saying this Shivam is going to treat you with a lot of goodies when you get into this catering work.
Yeah.
Okay, you are from Jaipur, right, Shivam?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me, studying in Mumbai, but you chose a Delhi-based wedding school. Why?
So as we all know that the Delhi is being known for the big fat weddings,
Right.
and the
And so is
weddings,
Mumbai, no?
yeah, but the thing is like there's a large scale weddings in Delhi as compared to Mumbai, because Mumbai doesn't have that much space as compared to Delhi.
Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
most of the weddings in Mumbai are being done in the hotels only, so they don't have any open spaces for the wedding as compared to Delhi.
Okay.
And the people, they are ready to spend crores of rupees on weddings as compared to Mumbai
Mumbai.
in Delhi. So that's the motto, and that's what the reason I was been, looking towards for this, coming to Delhi for the wedding.
I'm sure it was a wonderful decision now that you're here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, to the both of you, tell me, how important is it to intern at some place before working full time? Nagni, let's start with you.
Okay, so I guess again, when you get to work on the field, you get to experience the real nuances of work. You get to understand what exactly goes into it. Again, that putting, practical approach to the theory which you have already studied.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what we say, you really learn the most when you are on the field. So internship, I guess it's very important when you are working under your head, the leaders, the heads. You are amongst the fraternity. You are, on day-to-day basis, you are interacting with them. You are attending things. You are listening and sharing what they have learned over a period of years. So
Correct.
that gives you another learning. And I guess it's very important to make mistakes and learn from them, and then start your own work and then get into your full-time work. So yes, internship is a must. I guess it gives you another learning at another level.
Very well said, Nagni. I completely agree with you. Shivam, do you have something to add?
Yes, like learning is a one part, and executing is the another part.
Correct.
Most of the people are good in learning things, but when it comes to the execution, like they messed up the things. Okay, and getting into this field, it's like much more, and it's in a large scale in which not every people, if they just mugged up the things and they just executing on the field, they would be messing it up, so they won't be able to do work, and they won't be even to get to know what exactly the employer want and what exactly the client want. So getting on the field and getting what actually the things, how things takes place. So that's what the main thing is. You should learn that, and that comes from the practicality only. So yeah, that's the thing I want.
Agreed. And also, I think you also get to like test waters. You know what you like. You understand if
Exactly.
this is something that you want to do or
Want
not want to do. Like,
Yeah.
other than committing to something first, I think it's always good to intern, know your likes, dislikes, and then choose a department for you. Okay, now let's talk about the collaboration. Now that we have collaborated with VetJobs.in, Touchwood Wedding School has collaborated. What do you think about this collaboration? Shiva?
So it's a good step for the students as well, because like it's a bridge between both, for the students and the recruiters.
Correct.
So what I was thinking, like it's a win-win situation for both, for the recruiter and the student. The recruiter don't have to face that much problem, as they just have to go for your portal, just have to share the vacancies, and accordingly the students can come and then file their what according the rules they want to.
Right.
So it's these the students who who used to struggle a lot. They keep on searching for the websites, the vacancies, the companies they want, and the roles they're providing, rather than just go for the web job, and they totally they solves the problem for you. So I think that's the best thing. That's a great thing, that it's the main win-win situation for both.
It's like having a system in place for the wedding
Yeah,
industry also. Correct.
exactly.
Just like other companies, I think hiring, recruiting. Now these words are also. I mean, I hear a lot of wedding industry people also talk about these words, other than just phone calls and asking if there's a vacancy or not.
Yeah,
Nami, what do you
true.
think about the collab?
See, I guess it's an excellent opportunity which is being given to the candidates also, and it's I agree with Shivam that it is a win-win situation for both, that getting right talent on a platform and exactly where they would fit in, and for the job seekers getting to understand where exactly you can apply for the interest area you have. I guess it's a brilliant initiative by when jobs that they
That's true.
thought of. It is a need of the hour
It
actually, I
was.
guess.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
To
totally.
get people from this industry on the same platform and let them know, yes, you can work here and under this company. So it is a brilliant initiative. It's fantastic actually to launch it at the right time, I think.
Ah, thanks. That was very sweet of both of you. Okay, coming back to Shivam, I actually had this one question running around in my head. I
Yeah,
want to ask, now that you are into the catering business, I mean, where do you
yeah.
see yourself in 5 years? Do you want to like continue working in the catering business, or do you want to like explore other departments also of wedding?
So rather, I would say I would like to explore things more
Uh-huh.
because it would be a quick decision to decide right now
Correct.
because I'm just in this early age. I have this time to so that I can explore more and more things. I can search for the interest in which I lies and in which I can excel the most. So that's what I'm thinking right now.
Okay, and other than catering, where does your interest lie?
In the wedding,
Yeah.
the event
Ev-
managers, the planner, the decor, everything.
Oh. Okay, and if Nagmi was given a chance to freelance in one department, what, I mean, just like, let's name your top five.
Top five.
Yeah.
So I would start with decor.
Okay.
That is
What is
one
it that everybody likes about decor?
the beauty of it.
Exactly.
The
What we
name
see,
itself.
we get attracted by that. So that is the
Exactly.
first thing we get attracted to the decor.
Right,
So
right.
yeah.
Okay. Second.
Then comes the production, then comes artist management. So
Okay.
all those areas I would like to explore. But yes, decor would always be my first priority.
And Shivam, what about you? Your top five?
Same the decor, the planning,
What?
hospitality. That's the thing.
We want to make people's the most important day of their life the most beautiful.
Beautiful.
The
Correct.
most memorable, I would rather say. The most eye-catching.
Right, right, right. Agreed. Shivam, have you freelanced with other companies before in other
No,
departments?
not yet.
Not
Not yet.
yet. And Nagmi, have you?
No, no, no.
You just got a project, right, from the company where you were
Yeah,
interning. How is it going? Tell us about it.
yeah. So there is. It's a good project, very good opportunity.
Okay.
So going great. Yeah, we are on the phase.
Okay. A lot of things she can't disclose.
Yes, I have to talk about.
Okay. Okay, I wouldn't ask. Okay, that's it. That's all the questions that I had for you guys. Thank you so much. I really hope you guys had fun talking to me, talking to
Oh
Nagni,
yeah,
talking to each other.
it was so good.
Absolutely.
To catch up on things from the industry and talk about our experiences and share yours.
True, true, true. Even I feel so grateful because every Wednesday, Friday, there's like new set of people that I interact with, and
Okay.
like going every Friday, every Wednesday, I have so many new experiences that I like take from the live, and then I keep thinking about it throughout the week. I mean, I get to like learn so much about individuals and about their
Person.
experiences, and it's really great. And everybody joins us, and it's just fun. We're talking. It's
Yeah,
Great.
okay. Thank
it's
you
actually
so
a nice
much.
way to
Yeah.
end your weekend, I guess.
Yeah.
Not your weekend.
Okay, I think that's it. We have, yeah, that's it. That's it. We don't have any more questions also. So everybody's busy in their Friday evening and the next 2 days to come. Everybody is going to chill. How does your weekend look like usually? Shivam?
Clubbing, mostly.
Oh,
Club.
and Nagmi?
Mine is catching up with friends, spending time with my daughters. So
Oh,
yeah, it's a
that's
bit of everything, and I get to relax because my kids don't have any school. Free day for
online
me.
school.
Yeah, online. So it's more of work for me.
Crazy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining us live here. I hope you do super well in your the rest of the course remaining,
Thank
Shivam,
you.
Thank
and
you.
in your project.
Thank
Nagni,
you
Thank
thank
so
you
you.
much
so much for
for
having.
having us.
Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you.
we're so looking forward. I say this to everybody, but then if we ever cross paths, just remember
Sure.
me.
Of course.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much
Oh,
for joining us live.
okay.
Thank you.
Love.
Have a great
Thank
weekend
you.
ahead.
Same to you. Have a
Manisha
Thank
great
you.
ma'am
week.
is here.
Hi,
Hi,
Manisha.
ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys, that is it. We had so much fun, and I mean, I spent beautiful 25 minutes getting to know Shivam and Nagmi, the alumni, and Shivam is still studying with the Touchwood Wedding School. It was a very, very fun interaction. We got to know about their careers, their journey, and what their future plans were also. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed the live, and thank you so much for joining us. Have a really, really, really fun weekend ahead. Okay. Bye, guys. Take care.